Hello, friends! Welcome back! Woo. Today, we're going on a rainy day adventure. Look, Luna! Dark clouds! Rain is coming! I feel the raindrops. They are cool. Splash! Let's stay dry. Open your umbrella. Everything looks beautiful.
Rain makes nature happy.
Woof! Wow! A big puddle. Let's jump together. Wow! Splash! Splash! Hello, little frog. Ribbit. He's so cute. Hello, ducks. They love water. Wow! A rainbow! So many colors. Woof! Amazing! Let's make paper boats. Mine is blue. Woof! My boat is sailing. Ah, look how fast it goes. Hello, little snail. It moves so slowly. The flowers smell so nice.
Rain makes them fresh.
Oof. A beautiful butterfly. Be very gentle. Rain, rain, let's play. What a happy day. Woof, woof. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Can you find something red? I found a red apple. The sun is back. What a beautiful day. Our adventure isn't over yet. Let's explore more. Woof! Let's go. Everything is sparkling. The forest looks magical. Woof! Hello, little birds.
Can you hear them sing?
Woof! Woof! Look at these mushrooms. They're so colorful. Woof! 1, 2, 3, 4! Great job, friends! Rain helps flowers grow. Thank you, Rain! What did we see today? A rainbow! An umbrella! Woof! Let's dance! Yay! Woof! Wow! Let's keep our park clean. Nature is our friend. Woof! Keep smiling. Keep learning. See you in our next adventure. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for joining us. See you in next video. Woof! Bye!